Welcome at Mad Hairstyling. I'm Marc, a second-generation hairstylist. I started my passion for hair at the age of 13 when I did my first haircut. Apart from 4 salons in Zürich, I also run the Mad Academy and the styling division. At Mad Hairstyling, we all share the same philosophy. We want to inspire our community and have a high standard of performance. Sustainable thinking without compromising the client's experience or quality of work is key. Most of our customers are responsible and sustainable driven. They want hair color that is healthier, less damaging and better for the environment. But at the same time, they do not want compromising performance. For them, healthy, shiny hair meets their high demands in quality. Mad Hairstyling and Goldwell have a strong heritage in hair color performance and artistry, and that's what we want to pass along to our clients. Besides the image transfer, a real partnership and eye-level willingness to live a sustainable way were the deciding factors for me to switch to color salon brands. The new Ammonia-Free permanent hair color, Topchic Zero from Goldwell, is a big step in that direction. Our clients have become more and more aware about their lifestyle. They're looking for color services as alternative to conventional hair colors.
As stylists, we want to answer our clients' needs without compromising on performance. And with Topchic Zero, we can offer our clients all the best performance and a conscious feel-good hair color. The formula of Topchic Zero is free from ammonia, silicones, ethanol and fully vegan. It's also made from up to 94% natural derived ingredients and up to 98% biodegradable. Topchic Zero hair color provides wide possibilities for salon services, from excellent grey coverage to vivid tones and the liftability up to 3 levels. The color results are shiny, even and natural looking, and it works on all hair types, for hair that really looks and feels healthy.
Packaging is also very important to our salons, as we like to be environmentally friendly and we're very conscious about our planet.
Gladly, Topchic Zero comes in a sustainable packaging, which means it's made from up to 100% recycled and recyclable materials. For example, the usage instructions are printed inside the folding box, which helps us to cut down the paper waste. Topchic, together with Topchic Zero, offers the perfect permanent color portfolio to serve all our clients' needs.
Topchic Zero has the same usage as Topchic. There is no need for an extra education.
It comes in a range of 27 shades, which allows us to be creative with most of our clients. Topchic Zero offers a pleasant color service experience with its gently scented formula, from mixing to finish. And that elevates our salon and our clients. Depending on the client's hair need, I like to customize Topchic Zero service with Goldwell system products. The structure Equalizer spray helps me to optimize the color deposit on hair. The creamy, soft texture of Topchic Zero is easy to mix and apply. Adding pure pigments in my color mixture allows me to customize my client's color results. With thickener, I can adjust my consistency when working without foils. I can use Topchic Zero for any color service and on any hair structure. Topchic Zero is easy to rinse off, shampoo and treat with DualSense color care. I always recommend to my clients to maintain their hair at home with Goldwell care and styling products to look as they left the salon. My clients love the natural looking even color results and incredible shiny hair that feels healthy.
All in all, Topchic Zero, with its conscious and incredibly hairy ammonia-free formula, will make you and your client feel good more about just the color result. If you want to know more about Topchic Zero, check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.